What's your situation here in Bristol? What's your situation? What's your condition?
I've got some family here.
Yeah.
My mum just died a couple of years ago. My dad...
So how's the food?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, like a restaurant.
Thank you very much. And I've got something for you as well. Bristol, like.
Go, so.
How many years have you been here?
24 still.
24 years. There you go. This is like a little care package with toothbrush,
Inside the
toothpaste and whatnot in there. Big man. Soup, keep it warm. Would you like some soup?
It looks incredible.
Yeah, you can have some soup, man. Where could I get a shopping trolley from? I've been walking around town looking for a supermarket. I need a shop.
Dad's dead. Got a brother who's got an alternative lifestyle. I've got another brother who's won 5 million on the lottery but won't give me a penny.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you want something to eat?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Easy, like easy to believe.
There's an angel about someone like him.
Yeah.
Can feed everybody.
Come all
in
the way from London.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To feed Bristol.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
I'm just on a mission. I'm gonna see if I find some more people on the street and give them some food.
You want to go down towards...
Yeah, but you go there and feed them.
I was at Victoria a couple of months back. And I was surprised. I mean,
Thai patty, I know, Pauline. You see when the pumpkin start to just mash done. You see colour just start to farm. You see the...
I got one. You got one? Yeah.
No, I have one because this is for me. Big man, woolly hat. Big man, would you like a woolly hat?
No, I'm cool, bro.
You sure?
That's from in.
I'll have a lid as well, please.
That's from
It's a
in.
little gift from me to the unit.
Alright,
Yeah, thank you. Pauline, a good vibe, man. We're there up on the mission and I hand out the food right after in a Bristol. Yes, that is it. A long time with that Bristol? Yeah. What's your name? Gary. What's Paulina in a separated pumpkin and a collect pumpkin seed because she has some fitting on the window sill on her chin. Huh? How long have you been homeless for?
10 years nearly.
On the streets? So don't Bristol's council provide...
A lot, yeah, you're filming, aren't you?
Yeah. Yes, people, as I take you into the journey of Bristol people, yeah, and it's very different here. What I want to say, the homeless lifestyle here is very much different from London people, yeah. This town is like a hippie town. It's got graffiti almost everywhere. And I'm in the most ghetto part of town as well. A lot of things have happened in here in the past, but I'm here and I'm feeding the people and I'm seeing what's going on. I'm gonna take you through this journey, people, yeah? And I've come into an environment that they call the bear pit. I've come into an environment that is, it's like a subway and people are living underneath the arches. Different type of activities are happening here in and around Bristol, people, yeah? This city, yeah, unfolds in front of me as I walk with the shopping trolley and I go out on the mission to feed the people. You understand? One love to each and every one of you, everybody, yeah, that's out here on the mission with me. You understand? Bristol's the first city that we've turned up in. You understand? And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Our good vibes.
Completely homeless.
Huh?
Homeless.
How long have you been homeless for?
10 years nearly.
On the
On and
streets?
off, yeah.
So don't Bristol's council provide?
A lot, yeah, you're filming, aren't you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because obviously, like, I go out and I document it. That's why I tell it to you. I'll have
We're doing homeless food. Homeless.
So I'll have some food ready in about half an hour, some brown stew chicken. I'm just going back inside quickly to just go and finish putting the last little ingredients in the pot. I'm gonna come out. I'm looking for a shopping trolley, actually. Where can I find a shopping trolley?
I have no idea.
Yeah, because I need to be able to can push the food around town and hand it out. Do you get me?
I don't know.
But I'll be back out in about half an hour, 20 minutes. What's your situation here in Bristol? What's your situation? What's your condition?
I've got some family here.
Yeah.
My mum just died a couple of years ago. My dad's dead. Got a brother who's got an alternative lifestyle. I've got another brother who's won 5 million on the lottery but won't give me a penny.
Wow. So you're homeless, your brother's won £5 million on the lottery and he won't give you a penny and you're out on the streets. Yes, people, look, I'm showing you that I'm here, I'm in Bristol, you understand? And we're going to put some love into the community. This gentleman here, what's your name, sorry?
Vernon.
Vernon?
Yeah.
Vernon, nice to meet you, yeah?
Very nice to meet you as well. What's your name?
My name's Ringo.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
That's proper name. That's a proper name.
Yeah. Now good vibes.
R.I.P.
Yeah.
So Vernon,
Yeah.
big up yourself, yeah?
Big up yourself too.
The kitchen will be out in a little while.
For the homeless,
Okay.
right?
So what go on here, so him? What go on here, so him?
They just, you know, they stick out him and take out him tools them. Come, no video them.
Love in the house, people. Remember me tell you, sir, love in the house. You understand? A good vibes. Yes, people, I have to big up Bristol, said we in a car. Yeah, man. It's a decent community, said we. What go on, brother? You alright? Big up Bristol, you know?
Yeah, man.
A long time you there, Bristol?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Gary.
Gary. What's Bristol like?
Go, so.
How many years have you been here?
24, so.
24 years.
25
years. Alright, Gary, can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
What does good vibes mean to you?
Well, you're a pleasant person. You're decent.
Decent.
Yeah.
Are you a decent person?
Yeah.
Good vibes, isn't
Any
it?
change, please?
Huh?
Give me a burger, please.
Any change?
I want you some food. Them not no change
Yeah,
right
I'll buy
now.
some food upstairs.
No, him not no change right
Apache.
now. Them want do some food, alright, and you can eat. Come.
No, I'm gonna have some food. I'm coming up here with the pot in a little while, yeah?
Go, man.
Big
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself.
You get some food.
Alright. So this is some homeless people out here. We have to carry out the kitchen, you know. We have to make and carry out the kitchen, Pauline.
One shop a pound shop, I come down here by that.
Alright. Spin around the camera. This too. Yeah?
You see that boy there?
Yeah.
That's why I say, no, you get some food to eat.
Yeah.
But him not no change, because he's a type of person, grab and gone like a kite.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why I say, no, him not no change.
I'll give him some food.
Get food.
True. Then get some food.
You have this way up in here.
Okay, there's a subway here, people, so since you say, look, so that somebody's sleeping there. What? A one whole tent, alright, that's so. Look, alright, that's so we have to come feed the people, them. Cause look at them. Bless, how you doing? You right, yeah? Coming out with some food. I'm looking for a shopping trolley. Where could I get a shopping trolley from? I've been walking around town looking for a supermarket. I need a shop. What's all these tents about?
There's people staying there.
So people sleeping there overnight.
You filmed it. All right.
He's looking for a spot where them is, they put us something to eat.
Well, people used to come down here or Brunswick Square.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna come here because I can see a lot of tents and can tell that there's a lot of homeless people.
They're empty.
They're empty.
They're empty now because of council.
Okay.
Because of council. But if you like have a set date.
They're empty tents out here, people. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm strolling through town Segway, but a good vibes. We're gonna. They're not true. The people them just gone with them. I go. All right, true. I see them where so you go. Look at this. This is Tent City. Mad. We could never be more in the game than this, people. Yeah. Mad thing. All right, we could never be more in the game than these people, yeah. We got our shopping trolley, it's a mini one, but guess what? We're going to cook people, yeah, and put the things down on the shopping trolley and come out, people, yeah. Mad things going on out here in town. I don't know what's wrong with that guy behind us, but mad thing. Yes, people. So we're outside with the kitchen right now. I think we spot some homeless people across the road. So yeah, man. Come, Pauline, come. Yeah.
Bumbo class, roll up down underneath the stoplight.
Yeah, till I go on here, so people.
Right, the stoplight.
Come in. Come on. Stop. Come on, Pauline, what I deal with? Huh? You right, guys?
Want some soup? Warm soup and thing?
Yeah. One second.
Hello?
You right, guys? I got some food. Would you like some food?
You want some soup?
Come.
Jamaican food.
Jamaican?
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait there 1 second, please.
Wait, share it.
Pauline, excuse 1 second, let me just.
I would love some Jamaican
Yeah.
food.
Make it, hold on, Pauline. Make it stop yourself.
Thank you very much. You're a gentleman.
All right, you're welcome. Pauline,
Jamaican food, oh.
listen.
Thank you very much, England, and the people in Bristol that take care of the homeless.
A
and
Jamaican
people
food, real
that can't afford
Jamaican
it.
soup and Jamaican, you know? thing.
These people go out in the freezing cold and feed homeless people. They're angels.
But this is real Jamaican food, you know? And I'm sure you eat jerky chicken.
So we got culture as well in the food.
But this is real Jamaican. Real
I like
Jamaican
Jamaican
food.
Alright, so we organised. I'm just out here, I'm from London, and I'm just trying to just help the people here in Bristol and just give them some food. So I've been cooking some vegetable soup today, with some yam, got some good nutrients in there to like hold and
I'm diabetic, so
good
food is what I need.
That's it. I'm ready for you today. What's your name?
Alan.
Alan. Nice to meet you, Alan.
Nice to meet you, sir.
My name is Ringo. Can you stand back a little, please? Sorry.
Is it like this? Hold up. I want the camera good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he feed the hungry in London too. Hello, Alan. He feed them a London too. He feed the homeless and the hungry people them a London, all over London.
You're a gentleman.
I'll bring you a spoon. Take a seat. I'll bring you a spoon.
Hold it good. Hold the soup.
Hold it good. Yeah.
Manager.
So how's the food?
Beautiful, like a restaurant.
Thank you very much. And I've got something for you as well. I've got a hat, and I've got a care pack, some like essential stuff like toothpaste, toothbrush.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah? I'll get that for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're a gentleman.
Pauline, roll the camera for me, look.
It must be.
Yeah. What you think of it? Already said it. You just give me one of them, yeah?
I'm not touching it.
Yes, people, so we're in Bristol right now. We just give the gentleman a hat. And can you show them your little care pack?
Care back. Because it's hard to get.
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
Because it's hard
You
to
need
get
it?
a dentist.
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
I got a broken
I've got
jaw,
toothbrush and toothpaste.
and they won't
You
take.
know, there's something you have toothbrush and toothpaste. You should know that, man.
No, I don't have any clothes. Thank you very much, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
See,
Alright.
the toothbrush, toothpaste.
Easy, like easy to believe.
There's an
Scripture.
angel about someone like him.
Yeah.
Can you feed everybody
Come all
in
the way from London
Yeah.
Yeah.
to feed Bristol.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
I'm just on a mission. I'm gonna see if I find some more people on the street and give them some food.
You want to go down towards?
Yeah, but we was gonna start there at the shop and then go in town underneath the subway.
Yeah.
That's something. Let's go in that town
Yeah.
and then we come back home. Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright,
all
bless.
the best.
Thank
Take up your food, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Huh? I get the same. Yeah, you can get the same.
National anthem.
Everybody's doing this in England, yeah. Yeah.
I did expect you to say no different, man.
And guess what? It's,
Yeah, man,
just, it's just the homeless people them getting it. I don't
Okay,
sell this
okay.
soup. So you understand?
Okay.
I cook this one here for you lot.
Come on.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing in London. Hello. That's what I do in London. He feed everybody on the subway.
This voice?
Yeah, it's from London, yeah. It bounce up the cool, the spice. The spice, you know, the pepper.
Yeah, the herbs.
Yeah.
Brother, they herbs in there. That's perfect. Not
But this is what he's doing in London. He feed everyone in the subway. And you know the tube station, you go there and feed them.
I was with Victoria a couple of months back. And I was surprised. How many charities?
Can I serve it as well, please?
Yes. If you want, you can also get some stew chicken as well. Well,
I might go look at that.
yeah.
The herbs in that is nice. It's nice.
Is that right?
Yes, people. So we're just here, and we're at the beer pit right now, and we're just giving the gentlemen them here some food.
Love food.
Thank you. Would you guys like some food?
Oh, no, I'm good.
You sure I've got some soup? Keep you warm. Would you like some soup?
It looks incredible.
Yeah, you can have some soup, man.
Oh, you
So some people don't want to have their face shown, but yeah, I'm gonna just hand out some soup here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I get one of them?
Yeah. Of course. Hold this for me, please. No. Yeah. You have to be careful. No. Just this hand I use. Well, that's it. Yeah. Just the under. No, just the under. No.
Like this?
Yeah, just one on your.
Okay.
This is like a little care package with toothbrush,
Just like the
toothpaste and
food.
whatnot in there. Big man.
Take it, brother.
Yeah, one for you. You like a little care pack, sis? It's got toothbrush and toothpaste and all that in there.
I'm good. I'm going to do good.
Sure?
Yeah, I've got everything.
There you go, mate. Would you like a little hat as well?
I've got one.
You got one? No, I have one because this is for me. Big man, woolly hat. Big man, would you like a woolly hat?
No, I'm cool, bro.
You sure?
That's from in.
Can I have a lid as well, please?
That's from
It's a
in.
little gift from me to the unit.
Alright, then.
Yeah? Thank you.
My friend, a lot of homeless people need to be fed.
Yeah.
And
Good vibes. And there's a lot of fed people that need to taste homelessness.
you understand?
Yeah, man.
Can I have a lid?
You want a lid?
Hey,
Get the other little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, turn up on this side. Negative vibes.
So what I'm doing right now is just handing out some stewed chicken as well. So yeah, man, the gentleman here wants some stewed chicken. This is it, people. Yeah, so we're handing it out. I'm gonna put it on your table because you guys got a table here.
Yeah.
You guys get
here
table.
you go. Don't put it on the engine table though, because I'm pitched over.
How much chicken meal should I do? One on me. Should I do one for you as well?
Not for me. I'm gonna get too much food after these already.
Right, darling?
Happy New Year. You like some food? You like some food? What's it? We got some ground stewed chicken with some soup.
Good food, man. You know you want some. Come in.
Take the food, big man. Sure?
What's that?
Take the food, man.
Show me, I want to see.
And just think, brother, is that nice?
Soup there. We've got stewed chicken.
That's banging.
It's nice. Stewed chicken, like, you know, like with open chicken.
Yeah,
Stewed chicken, yeah.
Food, purple, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They got food, they got lovely food for you, bro. Try that. Yeah, I want that. Trust me, banging.
Thank you very much, my brother.
You're welcome.
Come on, man.
And it's good soup, nice and warm, you know?
Man, it'll
Warm up with
warm
chest.
you all night.
The rascal.
Open up your belly.
Bombo
Nice
class.
done.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, proper party.
Good vibe. So we're there. So Pauline, a good vibe, man. We're there so on the mission, and I hand out the food right here in a Bristol. Yes, that is it. So if you need something and you're hungry, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you want something to eat?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
But do you work
Yeah.
in the clean? Oh yeah, I'll take one.
You want one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me give you one, man. Have something to eat, man.
It's like Champion Square.
Let me just give you some soup. 1 second. What did I say to you? I told you, yeah, that I'm going to take you on a journey, and I took you on this journey, people, yeah. Big up yourself, each and every one of you, yeah. Big up Sister Pauline. Big up my brethren Shaq, you understand? The hospitality and the love here from my people, them in Bristol, has been absolutely amazing, you understand? This is the Malcolm X Centre, you understand? Where we was the first night. You see the man, them, you understand? Will give us the love, give us the welcoming people, yeah. You understand? Just keep hitting up the channel, people, yeah, and look out for the new things that's coming out. You understand? We're on the mission right now, and like I said, look, Bristol. This is what Bristol's offering. A lot of art. A lot of discovery, like it's got different dynamics to this town, people, yeah. Man, just come through and take a walk around if you can, you understand? If you're ever local, you understand? Big up Bristol, big up each and every one of you guys from Bristol. Yes, big man, big up yourself, yeah? Yeah, man, Happy New Year, Sin. Yeah, a good vibes. That is it, people, yeah. One love. I see you guys again very soon. That is it. Look out for the next video, yeah, coming out coming out right here in Bristol, yeah, the full video, yeah. You understand? Our good vibes.